How to find user ID in Telegram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, click on the search icon at the top right. Once you are here, search for user info bot. This bot right here. Click on it. And once you are there, click to start. Let me give this another try. As you can see, when you start chatting with the bot, it will give you all of the infos about your account. And the first one is your ID, as you can see right here. Now, if you want to use this to see another user ID, then here's what you do. Go and navigate to that person's chat or conversation. Say, for example, this person right here. Now, once you are on the chat, just click and hold on any message and then click on forward at the bottom right corner, and then go ahead and forward that message to the bot. And once you do that, it will give you that user's info, including the ID. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find IDs of users on Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.